Hello, my name is Kedar Dundu. I am an artist and I live and work in Santa Cruz, Goa. I am going to talk about the series which I have started during this quarantine period. The title of the project is Lonely Residents. When the quarantine began in the rest of the parts of the world, here in India we were still relaxed, thinking the novel coronavirus would not reach to India, as there were a lot of carried away with the myths associated with it. For example, the temperature in India is hot, so it won't survive in India. When I began working on this project, that is on 25th March 2020, which was the second day of lockdown, India had around 700 confirmed cases of COVID-19 and the death toll was 18. Earlier, when quarantine had begun in Italy, that is around 23rd of February 2020, for most of the people it was like a holiday. As the days wear on, the worries start. Italy battled the pandemic. The whole of Italy is under lockdown, confining tens of millions of people. After the Janata Curfew Day in India, which was on Sunday, 22nd March 2020, most of the Indian citizens felt the difficult and tense situation and what is it like to get yourself locked at home. People in India are now locked in their homes for the third lockdown in compliance with the quarantine imposed by the government to fight COVID-19. Being an artist, I found the situation tense as most of the people face great difficulty to live life indoors. I had uploaded a post on social media requesting the followers in my friend list to share with me a picture of themselves in their house and also to share with me a brief text about how they are using this quarantine time and how they feel being locked at home. I felt that this initiative of mine, doing one drawing of lonely resident daily, would give a thought of realization to invent things every day or to get a feeling that the house is a great sea to explore. I also feel that by giving importance to lonely residents in the form of art, I hope that people will feel good about and happy about it, forgetting about the tense situation. And I also hope that people can use this time to try to reinvent themselves. By staying barricaded in the house gives the opportunity to become aware of so many things and how to live life by not taking too much of stress. This series, titled Lonely Residents, is worked in graphite on paper of size 43 cm and 28 cm, and the drawing is uploaded on Instagram and Facebook. Later, the series will be worked with watercolor.